When I first moved to this part of Wales, I was warned about these woods. A lot of old people would say that the woods had turned sour and they wouldn't let the children play up here. I've heard tales of, and I actually heard it myself, children whispering, children crying up here.
When it used to be a house and they changed it into a pub, and that was meant to be when all these things started to happen. There's just so many little stories about things moving and lights falling down.
There are people who say they've seen strange things here. There was an old woman who lived in a cottage up there and she refused to go, so they knocked her cottage down around her. As they did so, she put a curse on the family.
In 1934, Mr. and Mrs. Gale came to run the cinema, but Mr. Gale died. Dorothy Gale, where are you? Dorothy Gale, where are you? There are odd things happening here in this building.